I want you to stick around because I have some pretty exciting news that I am about to share. So hello, I'm GeNienne Samuels, CEO and President of Sideline Prep, and I was originally supposed to record this video after Monday Night Football at Northwest Stadium, home of the Washington Commanders. It was literally the perfect backdrop for this announcement, but Mother Nature had other plans. It literally rained the entire evening. I had to put on a baseball cap at some points. I had on my rain jacket, and the rain just kept coming, and coming. So I just couldn't record the video. But it was the perfect backdrop because my professional career started at FedEx Field, which is now Northwest Stadium, as a Washington Redskins cheerleader. I was Pro Bowl cheerleader. I was a captain for most of my career there. And when I decided to retire, I then decided to help other people become professional cheerleaders. So that's when the idea of Sideline Prep birthed, right? And it was before I became a cheerleader for the Washington Wizards. And the whole mission of Sideline Prep is to give aspiring professional cheerleaders the knowledge, the style, and the glamour to walk into prep classes and auditions with confidence. That idea was planted. Sideline Prep started in the winter of 2009, and we really got going in 2010, really helping potentials for the Washington Redskins. And then we ended up expanding to the Washington Wizards and the Baltimore Ravens and the Baltimore Blast. So a lot of the teams right there in the DMV, the DC, Maryland, Virginia market, and of course up in Baltimore. Even though we started small, we ended up expanding, and now we are an international pro cheer prep company, and actually the longest standing pro cheer prep company in the nation. And when we started with an email list. We started with YouTube videos. We kicked off our very first YouTube video and made it public in 2014. And that's how everything started, right? And it worked for us. But we got away from YouTube videos and really started to focus more on one-on-one coaching, one-on-one consulting, group coaching. And now we have literally helped land hundreds of our clients on the teams of their dreams. Look at these maps. Look at how many teams are represented by Sideline Prep Lovelies and or Sideline Prep Gents. And this doesn't even include the semi-professional teams that we've helped people get on, right? But it all started with an idea, and it all started with a desire to help others go pro and really just live the life that I knew was possible for them because I was living that life. Year after year, we have received so many requests from you all to kick off and start up our YouTube channel again. So yes, that is the big announcement. We are back. We are coming back to YouTube where it all started for us because we heard you. And we want to make sure that we meet you where you are. And a lot of you said that you all want YouTube videos. Many of you that I talked to with our one-on-one conversations, I asked like, hey, how did you find Sideline Prep? And a lot of you say YouTube. A lot of you mentioned IG, and word of mouth is another big referral opportunity for us. But many of you talk about YouTube. So yes, we are still going to have those mindset videos for you so that you can conquer fear, doubt, and overwhelm. We're still going to have tons of how-to videos and all of the things, whether it's interview skills, your attire, setting goals and an action plan for you, the do's and don'ts, whatever it is, meal prepping, fitness, all of that. But we're also going to level up in the area of dance and dance technique. We're going to have videos that represent the style of different NFL and NBA pro teams. And many of them are going to be taught, if not most of them, are going to be taught by our lovelies that made those teams. So we're just really excited to, one, come back to YouTube because yes, you've asked for it and we are listening, but we're also excited to just expand the types of videos that we share with you. And we want you to engage with us, right? So make sure that you comment, like, share the videos. Below this video, let us know, like, what type of content do you want? What videos do you want? What are those desires, those struggles, those fears that you have that you need help and assistance with? Because at the end of the day, that's that's what it's all about. We want to help you. We want to assist you. We want to make sure that we remove all of the roadblocks so that you can go pro. We have done this for hundreds of ladies and gents, not just here in the US, right? Overseas as well. And so if we can help, for example, our lovelies in Japan go pro, then we know that we can help you too. And so we're back on YouTube to do that. And we're going to be there with you every single step of the way. So again, comment below, let us know what you want to see on our YouTube channel. We are back, we are excited, and we are here for you. All right, that is all. I'm going to sign off for Sideline Prep and all of our Sideline Prep coaches. We wish you success in all that you do. Make it a great day, and we'll see you right back here on YouTube.